With this episode, like this band that we're about to review, this song specifically that we're about to review is
It's a mix.
it's a mix, man. It's a
Mix
mix.
of
Like
genres.
though they are not presently here in Mindanao, but man, they made it work. They're always proud to be in
Oh,
CDO.
oh yeah.
They're always gonna be CDO's own, and
And props to these guys,
yeah.
like they make it happen, right?
Anything else, man? Let's cut to the chase. Let's play the sound.
Let's just play it, man. Man, I'm
Let's just
hyped
play it.
already. Here it is.
Throw the deuces to my new school hooligans, no truce. I bring the troops ready for war against your groups. I tame my demons inside the lion's
guy.
den. Died so many times, maybe
Yeah.
I'm born again. I did so many
Shout out.
crimes, maybe I'll sin again. Maybe I'll see me on TV, the breaking news again. The Super Saiyan 3 rocks flying
Super
off the
Saiyan
ground
3.
shit. We the golden boys, knock you out like they the oil shit. Off the wide space, better say you brace. I'm going all in when I flop the fucking ace. This is Chucky B. But this ain't the fucking child's play. I'm the one in the bar that sings I did it my way. But Frank Sinatra, mafia style, eating
Right.
pasta. Smoke you like a rasta. Dini basta. Kung hindi mo di ko maka-English sa sayuka. Diyos ko mo bida, ang bida na kontrabida. Layo ng liga sa digas ng mga hilas. Ay nagagwanta dawatan ng kapindian. May gasolina and sub in a full throttle. My backseat overflowing with whiskey bottles. My front seat, a tied up drunk model. She got that juicy fruity, wiggly booty, the voodoo magic with static. Don't give a fuck about traffic, just wanna hit from the back. And when that hit's gonna be tragic.
Damn.
I said she
Hey,
got the
Speed.
finest of asses. And when that hit from the
Favorite
back,
part.
it's gonna be sweet like molasses.
Okay, big beer located somewhere in upstate. Snyder's Lake, easing while I'm grilling strip steaks. Knee on the neck, let them gas for air. Hide you like them pigs, fuck them the medium rare. Feed the bear, hit a snare, snap. This ain't no trap. CGY, mind locking, so I take no crap. Cadence on this beat, haters on my pad. I'm light on my feet, I'm heavy on the mat. I'm flowing that nice, man. I'm rolling no dice. The first line, middle finger two, cook perfect rice. I'm flowing that nice, and I'm rolling no dice. First line, middle finger two, cook perfect rice. Brown skinned Asian immigrants. Too many savages not proving it. You reaching but I'm not feeling it. Okay, I'm jetting out, homie, I'm deucing it. Okay, I'm deucing it. I'm deucing it. I'm jetting out, homie, I'm deucing it. I'm jetting out, homie, I'm deucing it.
I'm a wordsmith, lyricist, ain't nobody embodied. There's no one is talking shit, cause I can't
Rebel
get
Dogs in the house.
Shout out to all my kid folks,
Rebel
families
Dogs.
in my fellowship. You know I'm so sick with it, limitless with the penmanship. I'm lucid, I'm known to do this. A microphone assassin, if not, then who is? Check the resume, Cassius Clay, I'm a bona fide heavyweight. Every time I detonate, everybody gon' levitate. But I'm calm, I meditate. The plan is to elevate. The music they love to hate, the game that they can't relate. So line them up, let me lay them down. Banana clip, pull it low, let me spit around. It's the magnificent.
There's a
kid
favorite
from
line I
down
like
under.
here.
Tell me who do it better. I'm a stone cold stunner, flow bender, rhyme spitter, never the type to surrender. Better remember the name A-L to the crooked letter. Cause honestly, other motherfuckers
A-L
are
to the
basic.
crooked letter.
Face it, they ain't even close to amazing. Maybe I'm crazy or maybe I'm not. But one thing is for sure, they ain't the cream of the crop. Believe it or not, they just rapping some hippity hop. Now they claim to bring the game to the tippity top. Crazy, right? Never afraid to face a fight. I know my punchline dope like I'm Walter White.
Walter White.
I'm prolific with lyrics
Walter
that don't
White.
mimic. I'm an addict plus fanatic.
Breaking
In rhymes,
Bad.
I'm no gimmick.
Oh, is
Listen,
he?
when I lay it and leave the mic blazing. You
Never
know I
get
don't play shit,
complacent.
Never been complacent. Y'all clueless, I'm Bruce Bowen, I'm foolish. And I'm just cruising.
Bruce
fluid,
Bowen.
no fluid. Jesus the Judas,
Nice
you know that I'm
references
built
there.
to do this. One of the truest, the one chugging up deuces.
Basically, man, that was it, man.
Damn.
told you that that song had an edge, man. It's like it's built different. I like the verse. I like each one of them had their own thing. Favorite, not to be biased and everything. My favorite is the first part because he was like freaking angry when
Yeah.
about entering, man. Like
It's like he's channeling the ASP
Yeah.
alter ego, right? Like,
yeah, dude. Like and just go abi ni mo like abi mo dili ka kabalog in English.
English.
Well sayop ka.
Dini basta basta. Damn.
No, my favorite part is he included the word porbida.
Porbida,
Damn. Gabihan in a verse. Oy.
Because where the hell's this song been? Why now? I mean,
No, I think it's the timing. The timing is great even now, dude. Like
Yeah.
it's nice. It's all about timing, man. We weren't ready back then.
for
If
this
you're
kind of
about to
for
listen.
this
Yeah,
kind of
we're now.
kinda
We're
shit?
now. We're not.
Mm.
I'm very sure. Especially during those times, you were like a diehard Incubus boy.
everyone
Like,
everyone's a purist back then, right? Like
now it's like everyone
it's a
everyone
mix.
yeah.
Everybody's
Everyone's-
collaborating.
Yeah, is it a good thing? We keep on talking about this topic. Is it a good thing that people are collaborating? For you, let me ask you.
Back then, no. For me, no. Like I'm a fucking purist. Like even now, like I'm so autistic and like homogeneous. Like I just want this, like this. But now, man, it's like I get to appreciate now as you become mature and you become older. Your palettes change, right? And then you get to appreciate so many things, music, genres of music. I mean, yeah, you're right. Like it wouldn't be acceptable back then, but now I can accept it. What is I get to rate all the time. It's your turn, man.
All right,
Rate
man.
this shit. From
Rate
Angkol
this
Bison
shit.
to ALSN to ASP to Chuck B plus minus right. Rate the entire song, dude.
All of to be honest, I really like this song. I'm biased to this song, man. I keep on playing this while I work out, and it never gets old. I'm giving
Never,
it a
huh?
5/5, man.
Damn, there you
Five
go.
over.
It's
I like
five.
this.
It's a 5, y'all. Not from a fanboy's perspective, but dude, listen to that
Dude.
track one more time.
Like,
it gets you
all-
up. Shit.
All the element is there.
Yeah.
Angry. The verses are on fire. That crazy beat.
Yeah.
Like the layers from that beat, man. Especially when the part when Alson on the Alson's verse. Did you hear that there were like it was like a jazz trumpets at the background? Yeah. There was like
I wonder where Chuck gets those. Like, how does
Man,
he do it, man?
I think he's inspired on the during the fiesta time where there's like a
Do the
parade.
trumpets.
Yeah, dude. Like I think, dude.
I think he misses it though, because
Yeah, he misses it.
I don't think you get to do that nowadays. Shit.
Yeah. Anyway, you got you got the aspect there. You got the angry verses. You got the angry beats. Is it angry beat? Is it angry? It's a mix. I can't say that the beat is angry, but
It gets
It's
you
there.
going. It gets you going.
it gets you going, and plus the artists in this song are all from CDO. What else can you ask for, dude? All local,
other than,
represent CDO.
yeah,
Though
other
they're
than
in the-
Alson, who's like from Dipolog, but now he's like a CDO guy now.
Yes,
Like, yeah, they're all from
he's still
CDO.
here. They're all here, man. Anyway, it has this like that's why I give it a 5/5. It's all the elements you need are there. Local, angry, not angry.
Angry.
Like yeah, like the
And it's a culmination of genres again, like a mix, collabs.
yes.
5, huh?
All right.
I would have given
Five,
it a
dude.
5 too.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. Love our videos. Please click the like button or hit subscribe. This is the huge upside.